area, we have a 2017 Jeep Renegade, 24,900 miles, clean auto check, balance of factory warranty. Give you a look at it. It does have the cool looking cube style front end. It does have the recessed headlighting, nice chrome trim around the grille with the honeycomb inserts. And you do get your parking lights and your driving lights there on the front. Bring it around the side. Show you, it does have the 18-inch dark 5-spoke rims with the chrome trim. And you also have pretty new looking tires on, or at least 3/4 tread tires, Kumos. Also has the integrated signals on the mirrors. There's a nice brushed aluminum roof rack. And your Renegade badging on the doors. And you can see it does have the nice leather, black on black interior. Leather seating with some nice gray trim. It's brushed aluminum accents on the doors, dash. Back seats have pretty ample room for being a smaller SUV. You do have a power source and on the back of your center console to plug in your devices. And if you need some extra cargo room in the back, these seats do fold forward. A lot easier if the front seat's a little further ahead like that. There you go, they fold flat. And you have a look at the rear rubber there. It's pretty much uniform all the way around. Bring it around the back, show you it does have the rear wiper, rear defrost. It does have the backup cam underneath your Jeep emblem. And if you look up at the back of the roof, you'll have your antenna up there. That's for your satellite radio. And of course, your badging, Jeep 4x4 Limited. And you'll see inside the hatch, you have a nice little cargo area back here. You have some pockets on the sides. Have power source back here also. And again, your seats do fold forward for extra space. If you fold this floor piece up, you have some cargo area there. You also have your spare tire. And in your canvas bag, you have all your tools and your jack and your accessories if you were to have a flat. Another thing you'll notice about these Renegades, you'll see the neat little Jeep grill logos kind of hidden all over them. And you have your big X-Note tail lights, which the Renegades are known for. And a look at the rear over here. Okay, and take you inside and show you a little bit. Driver's door, you have your power locks, windows, mirrors. And we will take you inside. And it does have push button start. And light the instrument panel up so you can see. Actually, the current mileage, I think I might have been wrong when I told you the first time there. The current mileage is 29,406. You will see on this vehicle you have your cruise control settings, audio settings, voice control.
There are no phones connected.
Phone settings.
Connect a phone.
Headlight switch. And there's your display screen for your audio and for your media. You can sync your phones and everything right through there, of course. Below that you have your buttons for your heated seating, driver and passenger, heated steering wheel, and your air conditioning and heating controls. And you do have driver and passenger side climate control, so you can set it to your liking. And down below that you have your 2-wheel 4-wheel drive selector. You have your auxiliary port, 12-volt power source, automatic transmission shifter, electronic parking brake, traction control, dual cup holders, and you have a nice deep center console with another USB port hidden inside there. And Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to give you a look at the engine bay. And you see it's also nice clean under here. It does have the 2.4 liter multi-air injection engine, which is a pretty stable engine for Dodge Chrysler products. They put that in a lot of the cars. It's been around a while. It's a good smooth running engine, gets you pretty good fuel economy. Plus has plenty of power to get you around. Final thing we're going to do here on the video is I'm going to walk you around this Renegade one more time, see if we can pinpoint any blemishes or damages. In case you were going to come out and take a look at it, you can watch from the video and kind of have a little heads up of what you're coming out to see. It's a pretty new model and pretty clean, so I'm probably not going to have a whole lot to show you. There are a couple tiny stone chips on the front of the hood. They have been touched up, so they won't be an issue for you. But other than that, it's actually pretty nice, clean Renegade. If you'd be interested in setting something up to come out and take a look, maybe take a test drive, give our salespeople a call here. We'd be happy to help you out. Our number is 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on our website, www.thomasata.com. Thank you for your time.